video, we are going to look on how to model the staircase. So this is an architectural drawing. First of all, we are going to let's copy this staircase to one particular spot. Let's say we copy it here. This is the structure of the staircase. So use it here. And I use this. Let's use this. What is this? This staircase, you know, the headroom is 3 meters. So let's say this is the 3 meter now. So this headroom is 3 meters. Now the distance from the top down, how many steps do you have? 150. So, and we are using each stair is still 150. So from the top now to that ladder, we are going to have from the top to that ladder we are going to have 450. Okay, we are going to have, let's say, the offset 150 is 150. 1, 2, 3. Now here we have our landing. Here we have our landing. This is where we have our landing. Our landing thickness is going to be 150 as well. So this is our landing. Now, out of from the headroom is 3 meters. So 3 meters plus 150 minus 600, 10 minus 600 is equals to, I left with 2.4, that means from here to here is 2.4. So this 2.4, let's say divided by 150, divided by 150, we have 16 steps. So we are going to come here, pick our offset, so 150, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So you can see now, you cannot delete all this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So delete all this. This is just our staircase. Now let's arrange the way the step is going to be. Let's say it's coming like this. So for that reason, I'm going to be having our thread to be 300. So we come here offset 300. See, this 300. So since this 300, we can action. Let's say we trim up. Trim this. Trim this. Look how quick it now. Now, we cannot copy here. Copy from here to here. Now let's move this from here to here. So this is how we're going to do our step until we get to this level. So we go replace the one after the other. Now, let's step this now. Let's see this our step now. All this are not needed. We cannot clean this, erase this. This is our step. Now, what is our waist? Our step waist is 150. So we're gonna place it from here to here. From here we offset our waist. Let's say here we take our 150. Our 150 we cannot offset it back here to delete this. So now we cannot fillet here now. Let's step this to this. So here is our landing. That's what I'm doing. Here is our landing. So since here is our landing, what is the width of our step? Let's say the width is 1000. say water service, not to take our water. Yeah, now we cannot take our fillet. No fillet here. Yeah, we cannot take our stair. This is our landing. This is our landing. And also, let's fillet this. Let's fillet this. Fillet this. We're not trimming this. This is our staircase. This is on the rotation of this stair. That's why it looks like this. It comes like this. It goes like this. So that is that. Now, so in our next video, we are going to be talking about a dog leg staircase, a full dog leg staircase. So this is how this kind of stair. So I believe this video is helpful. So from here, you have to run your analysis from structural software before you know how you can place your reinforcement. So here, you can measure strength. Let's see, this is our dimension slide. So, sorry for the noise. So, these are now set correctly. So, we cannot take the dimension now. So, that's a tell you, initially have our this correct. We'll have our system here with this correct. So, the leg bone, we have 3. So, if you come here, I see that our rise height is 150, our thread is 3. So, we can check our waist. Check our waist. So, we stop there.